The first cause of anxiety that patients mention during routine dental procedures is the sound from the drilling equipment used in dentistry. Today, we are going to suggest an alternative to this known as dental lasers. Hello, this is Dr. Salma Arif, periodontist and implantologist from Chitra Multi-Speciality Dental Center, Patna. Lasers have been used in dentistry since the early 1990s. And there are basically two types, one that is used in soft tissues and the other that is used in hard tissues. What are the key uses of lasers? Lasers can be used to remove the dental decay and prepare the tooth surface in order to receive the dental filling material. It is also used in a number of gum procedures, for example, to reshape the gums, to remove pigmentation from the gums, and as an adjunct in gum surgery to decontaminate or remove microbes from the gum pockets that are present during gum disease. Lasers can also be used to remove muscle attachments that restrict any type of lip or tongue movement. It is also used in routine endodontic procedures in order to remove microbes from the root canals during the procedure. Lasers can be used to cut small pieces of tissues in order to detect oral cancer known as biopsy specimens. They are also used to relieve pain from ulcerations that are caused in the oral cavity of it. Lasers also help in speeding up the in-office teeth whitening procedures. The laser light activates the bleaching agent which is present on the tooth surface. One innovative use of lasers is in the use of temporomandibular joint therapy. The type of lasers used there are cone lasers, which often use precision targeting, which causes deep penetration into the muscles and tissues. This causes a rapid increase in the blood supply and stimulates healing of the tissues and causes immediate pain relief. Now, how do these lasers work? Lasers work by delivering energy in the form of light. When used in dental and surgery procedures, it often causes the vaporization or the cutting of the tissues it comes in contact with. When used in teeth whitening procedures, it delivers energy in the form of heat to speed up the process. What are the advantages of the use of lasers? As mentioned earlier, it causes decreased anxiety to the patient. It causes lesser pain compared to the traditional methods and less bleeding and swelling compared to the traditional methods as well. Finally, addressing the questions asked by all patients. Is it really safe to use dental lasers? The answer is yes, provided the necessary precautions are taken. Usually, a pair of safety goggles will be provided by your practitioner in order to use them during the procedure. This innovative treatment may not yet have replaced traditional dentistry, but with emerging technology, it is soon to become a common procedure in your dental office. So please ask your dentist today regarding laser treatment procedures. Thank you.